Hare Krishna everyone, this is Shivani Bhagat and I am currently a 4th year law student. Today I have been given this opportunity to share my spiritual experience with Sri Narayani ma'am. I think that my spiritual journey has been really amazing and that is only because of ma'am. I feel that I was a fallen soul and ma'am has literally pulled me out of that materialistic dirt. At first, I used to lament and hanker over my problems and my past. I used to also at times blame God that why is it that only I have been given such problems. But now I just feel that my way of tackling problems has changed greatly, and that is only because of ma'am. And because ma'am, the way ma'am teaches us these spiritual concepts is truly amazing. She inculcates the clarity and the amount of understanding that she inculcates is commendable. I feel that now when a problem comes to me, I handle that problem way too maturely, and I always thank God that thank you for giving me that problem, because I know that there is a lot better that is going to come in my life after that, and I knew that that problem was because of my karma. So all of these things are really important for a person to understand, and that will only be possible with a great mentor like Sri Narayani ma'am. I feel that Sri Narayani ma'am is a true messenger of Srila Prabhupada. Without her, I wouldn't have been able to understand all these spiritual concepts and basically improve myself. I feel that ma'am has always guided me throughout, and I have always considered her as a mother, as a friend. The moment I face a problem, the first call that I make is to Sri Narayani ma'am, and she has always guided me throughout. She has always advised me that Shivani, you should do this and not that, and that is what Mataji is like, and that is the kind of relationship that ma'am creates with her students, and this is the kind of mentor that everybody needs in today's generation. So I would like to thank Sri Narayani ma'am for being there for me, for guiding me throughout, and for supporting me. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for always being there. Thank you.